Hello everyone, welcome to today's special class. So today will be the last special class of the General Aptitude series. I know tomorrow is all your exams, so I am not expecting much people in today's class, right? I know everyone are having their exams tomorrow. Right, so we shall begin with today's class, right? So as already specified, GATE General Aptitude is what our motto is, or is what the practice questions we will be saying, right? GATE General Aptitude. Now, so today is basically the practice class on PYQs of General Aptitude part 3. Okay, we had two parts already, right? Two parts already, we finished it. So today will be the third and final part. This is the third or final part of the General Aptitude series. I know most of you guys are having exams tomorrow. So tomorrow is the GATE exams for most of the streams. I know you guys won't be attending it, so you guys can see it later. But for those people who are planning for GATE 2021, and for those people who still have their GATE 2020 exams, right? For some people it is on February 2nd, for some it is on February 8th, right? So those people can see this live class, right? So let us start with the first question directly. Hema's age is 5 years more than twice Hari's age, right? Hema's age is 5 years more than twice Hari's age. Suresh's age is 13 years less than 10 times Hari's age. Suresh's age is 13 years less than 10 times Hari's age. If Suresh is 3 times as old as Hema, how old is Hema? राइट तो इधर तीन इक्वेशन बना सकते हो आप लोग, राइट इधर तक तीन इक्वेशन बना सकते हो, तो तीनों इक्वेशन को बनाओ और इसका आंसर क्या है बताओ मुझे, राइट डू ऑल द थ्री इक्वेशंस एंड टेल मी द राइट आंसर. Hema is 5 years more than twice Hari's age. Suresh's age is 13 years less than 10 times Hari's age. If Suresh is 3 times as old as Hema, how old is Hema? So you guys have to tell me the Hema's age. Provide me the age of Hema. राइट तीन इक्वेशन बना सकते हो आप इधर से, तीनों इक्वेशन बनाओ और हेमा का एज बताओ. राइट पहला इक्वेशन क्या होगा? हेमा's age is 5 years more than twice Hari's age. Okay, so we will take the age of Hema as x, right? We'll take the age of Hari as y. We'll take the age of Suresh as z. ठीक है, we'll take the age of Hema as x, Hari as y, Suresh as z. x y z हो गया. अब इक्वेशन बनाओ, right? What are the equations you guys will get? Hema's age be x, Hari's be y, and Suresh be z. According to the question, what is the first equation we'll get? Hema's age x is 5 years more than twice Hari's age, right? It is 5 years more. 5 plus 2y, 5 years more than. So x is equal to 5 plus 2y, twice of Hari's age. So this I can write it as x minus 2y equals 5, right? This I can write it as x minus 2y equals 5. Second one क्या है? Suresh का age is 13 years less than 10 times Hari's age, right? 13 years less, 5 years more मतलब plus किया हमने, 13 years less मतलब minus करना है, right? सुरेश का क्या है? It is z, right? Z is 13 minus है ना, 10y minus 13, 10 times Suresh's age. So z equals 10y minus 13, right? Z equals 10y minus 13. This will be my second equation. Right, my second equation. Third one, Suresh is 3 times as old as Hema. Z equals 3x, right? 3 times as old as Hema. Z equals 3x, 3 हो गया, right? From 2 and 3, from 2 and 3 I will get 3x minus 30, 3x minus 10 is equal to minus 13. 3x minus 10y, ठीक है, 3x minus 10y is equal to minus 13 from 2, z और z कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 3x minus 10y is equal to minus 13 मिल जाएगा, which is my fourth equation. तो solve 1 4 3, right, solve 4 3 and 1, solving 1 3 and 4 we get x equals 19, y equals 7, z equals 57, right, x equals 19, y equals 7, z equals 57. तो हेमा का एज चाहिए हमें, राइट, व्हाट इज हेमास एज, इट इज x, x equals 19, so that is option D. तीनों इक्वेशंस बनाओ जो दिया है क्वेश्चन में, डू द इक्वेशंस, solve them, you will get x, y and z का value. I want the age of Hema, so Hema is x, I'll get it as 19. Go back to the question, it is option D. Clear everyone? Shall I move on to the next question? Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next one now. Question number 2, right? A faulty wall clock. Faulty का मतलब क्या है? Faulty means a wall clock which is not functioning, right? Which is not functioning. Okay, faulty wall clock का मतलब है a wall clock which is not functioning. Okay, a faulty wall clock is known to gain 15 minutes every 24 hours. It is known to gain 15 minutes every 24 hours. It is synchronized to the correct time at 9 a.m. on 11th July. It is synchronized to the correct time at 9 a.m. on 11th July. What will be the correct time to the nearest minute when the clock shows 2 p.m. on 15th July of the same year, right? A faulty wall clock, it gains 15 minutes every 24 hours, right? It gains 15 minutes every 24 hours. So it is set at a time of 9 a.m. on 11th July. So what will be its time when it shows 2 p.m. on 15th July, right? So tell me the answer for this. It is easy. तो पहले 11th July है ना, और बाद में 15th July है, right? So it can easily find out 15 minutes every 24 hours. तो इसमें से कितना होगा? Right, so 11th July it is showing 9 a.m. okay, 5th July 2 p.m. का टाइम चाहिए मुझे, right, 2 p.m. का. So what is the difference between 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.? It is 4, right? 4 hours is the difference here, right? 4 hours is the difference. So for 15 minutes 24 hours वो होगा, right? For every 24 hours, right, for every 24 hours it increases by 15 minutes, right? So for 4 hours how much will it increase? For 4 hours how much will it increase? So cross multiply, so it is cross multiply 4 into 15 divided by 24, है ना, 4 into 15 divided by 24, ये आंसर मिल जाएगा आपको. Then 11th to 15th July, so there are 4 days, right? 11th to 15th July 4 days है, तो एक दिन के लिए 15 मिनट हो रहा है, तो 4 दिन के लिए कितना होगा वो? 4 दिन के लिए कितना होगा? 4 into 15 which is 60 minutes, right? 1 hour, right? So it is 1 hour plus 4 into 15 by 24, right? 1 hour plus 4 into 15 by 24. 11th to 15th July 4 दिन का होता है, right? 4 दिन, तो एक दिन के लिए 15 मिनट हो रहा है, तो 4 दिन के लिए कितना होगा? 4 into 15 60 minutes, right? Which is 1 hour. तो ये हो गया. नेक्स्ट 4 घंटा और है, 4 दिन 4 घंटा का डिफरेंस है ना, 4 दिन का डिफरेंस है इधर और 4 घंटे का डिफरेंस है, तो प्लस करना है 1 hour प्लस दिस, राइट? 9 a.m. clock will show 10 a.m. right? So it is obviously 9 a.m. का मतलब it will show 10 a.m. right? It will show 10 a.m. 1 hour का डिफरेंस, और बाद में it is 15 into 4 divided by 24, right, which is 2.5 minutes. तो टोटल कितना होगा? इट इज 1 hour 2.5 minutes, right? 1 hour 2.5 minutes. तो एक्चुअली 2 PM के जगह what it will show? minus 1 hour 2.5 minutes, right? minus 1 hour 2.5 minutes. It is 2 PM minus 1 is 1 PM, right? 2.5 minutes हटा दो, 12 minute 57 seconds, right? 57 5 12:57:5. This is not given in the options, so you go for the option B, 12:58, right? Clear everyone? It is option B. ठीक है, 2.5 minutes है, 60 है, so it is 1 hour 2.5 minutes. So it is actually 12:57:5, right? So 12:57:5 is not given in the option. Go for the nearest one, which is B, 58. 12:58 PM. Clear? Shall I move on to the next question? Okay, fine. We'll move on to the third question now. Tower A is 90 meters tall and Tower B is 140 meters tall. They are 100 meters apart. A horizontal skywalk connects the floor at 70 meters in both the towers. If a taut rope, taut का मतलब है tight, right? Taut का मतलब है tight. If a taut rope connects the top of Tower A to the bottom Tower B, at what distance in meters from Tower A will the rope intersect the skywalk? Okay, so basically Tower A is 90 meters tall, Tower B is 140 meters tall. They both are 100 meters apart, right? So the height from here is 70 meters, right? There is a horizontal skywalk here. So at what point will it intersect? At what point is it intersecting the skywalk? So that you have to tell me. A rough diagram I have already shown here. So give me the right answer. Right, we'll go forward with the answer. As I said, okay, Tower A is 90 meters, right? Tower B is 140 meters. There is a 70-meter distance from the base to the skywalk. From the base to the skywalk 70 meter का distance है. Base is 100 meters, right? So this is the skywalk, right? This is the skywalk and this is how it will intersect, right? AD is the intersecting line, है ना? तो skywalk ऐसा है, tower उसके ऊपर है, तो इधर intersect होगा. Now this is what the distance I want. This distance I want, right? So see the figure properly. See the figure properly. Triangles AEF and ACD, right? Triangle AEF and ACD, they are similar, right? Triangle AEF and ACD are similar. So what I will get by proportionality theorem, AE by AC, right? AE by AC, sorry, AE by AC is equal to, right? AE by AC is equal to EF by CD, right? Is equal to EF by CD, है ना? Proportionality theorem, AEF triangle और ACD triangle ये दोनों similar है, ठीक है? तो AE by AC is equal to EF by CD. मुझे EF का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है ना. I want to find out this value. Others I know, right? AC is 90, right? AE is 90 minus 70, right? AC is 90, A is 90 minus 70. So it will be 20 by 90 is equal to EF pata nahi. Let's name it as X. How much is CD? It is 100, right? It is 100. So X will be 100 into 20 divided by 90, right? X will be 100 into 20 divided by 90. So it is 22.22 meters. 100 into 20 divided by 90, which is 22.22 meters. It is a simple question, right? Similar triangles कर दो, EF का value मिल जाएगा, right? Understood? Clear everyone? Yes, Nishant, you are right. Chalo, we'll move on to the next question, right? Question number 4. The price of a wire made of a super alloy material is proportional to the square of its length. The rise of 10-meter length of the wire is 1600 rupees. What will be the total price in rupees of two wires 4 meter and 6 meter? Total price of two wires 4 meter and 6 meter. Here are your options. Solve this question. See, wire is proportional to the square of its length. So it will be P is proportional to L square, right? P is proportional to L square. So 10 meter length दिया है, price भी दिया है, right? So P1 is given as 10 and L1 is given as 1600, right? P2 कितना है? 4 meter, है ना? P2 is 4 meter. तो P2 पता नहीं है, we know L2, sorry, price we do not know, right? P2 is X, okay? P3 is Y. So L2 will be 4, right? Interchange this. This is 1600 and this is 10 meters, right? L2 is 4, L3 is 6 meter. L2 is 4, L3 is 6 meter. So what they have basically given, they have given the price of 10 meter length, right? Price of 10 meter length is 1600. So price of 4 meter or 6 meter length हमें पता नहीं है. We have to find out and then we have to do X plus Y. Right? Then we have to do X plus Y. So Nishant has given the answer as 832. He means it is option B. So let's find out the answer. Right? Yes, it is option B. Right? So they have given what? They have given the price of one material 1600. Right? P2 or P3 हमें पता नहीं है. Right? Length we know one as 10 meter. L2 is 4 meter. L3 is 6 meter, right? What is the equation given? P is directly proportional to L square, right? P is directly proportional to L square. So I can write P1 by P2 is equal to L1 square by L2 square, है ना? I can write P1 by P2 is equal to L1 square by L2 square. तो P1 हमें पता है, L1 भी पता है, L2 भी पता है, right? So it will be 1600 by P2 is equal to 10 square which is 100 and 4 square which is 16, right? 4 square which is 16. Divide everything, right? Cross multiply 16 into 1600 divided by 100. P2 equals 256, right? P2 equals 256 हो जाएगा. अभी next we can do the same P2 by P3, right? Or else we can also take P1 by P3 is equal to L1 square by L3 square. Right? Yes, P1 by P3 equals L1 square by L3 square. P1 पता है 1600, P3 I do not know. L1 square is 100, L3 square 6 square is 36, right? So it is 36 into 1600 divided by 100. So P3 will become 576. What they have asked in the question? Go back to the question. Two wires total price, right? So it is P2 plus P3. Right? P2 plus P3 करना है. So it is 256 plus 576. Right? 256 plus 576 which is 832. Option B. Yeah? Yes, Nishant, you are right. Okay? 256 plus 576. They have given P is directly proportional to L square, तो P1 by P2 equals L1 by L2 square लिख दो और पूरा आंसर को फाइंड आउट करो. राइट? Clear everyone? Any doubts in this question? Chalo, let us move on to the next question. Question number 5. 4 siblings go shopping with their father. If Abhay gets shoes, then Asha does not get a necklace. If Arun gets a t-shirt, then Aditi gets bangles. Right? If Abhay does not get shoes or Aditi gets bangles, the mother will be happy. Which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? Here are your 4 options. So a simple verbal ability question. Solve this. Right? So for the mother to be happy, right? For the mother to be happy, Aditi should get bangles and Abhay should not get shoes, right? Aditi should get bangles and Abhay should not get shoes for the mother to be happy. So if Abhay is not getting shoes, that means Asha will get a necklace, right? If Abhay is not getting shoes, Asha will get a necklace. If Abhay gets shoes, Asha does not get a necklace. So if Abhay does not get shoes, Asha will get a necklace, right? So दोनों situation को लेना है, right? दोनों situation को लेना है. Go with this. If the mother is happy, then Aditi got bangles. Wrong. I will tell you why. Because we have to consider both the situations, right? Aditi getting bangles and Abhay not getting shoes, right? दोनों situation को consider करना है हमें. We have to consider both the situations. Here only one situation is given. If Aditi got bangles, then Abhay got shoes. Wrong, right? If Aditi is getting bangles, that means Abhay is not getting shoes, right? If Aditi is getting bangles, Abhay is not getting shoes. Here they have got getting shoes. So wrong. If mother is not happy, then Asha did not get a necklace and Arun did not get a t-shirt. So yeah, mother is happy, that means Aditi gets bangles. If Aditi gets bangles, Arun gets a t-shirt, right? If Aditi gets bangles, Arun gets a t-shirt, है ना? पर mother is not happy लिखा है. That means Aditi is not getting bangles. उसका converse क्या है? Arun is not getting a t-shirt. Arun is not getting a t-shirt. So Arun did not get a t-shirt, है ना? Arun did not get a t-shirt. Then Abhay does not get shoes means mother will be happy, right? Mother is not happy. Mother is not happy. That means Abhay got shoes, है ना? If Abhay does not get shoes, mother will be happy. If mother is not happy, that means Abhay got shoes. If Abhay gets shoes, Asha did not get a necklace, right? If Abhay gets shoes, Asha will not get a necklace. So Asha did not get a necklace, right? Abhay got shoes, so Asha did not get a necklace. Aditi did not get a bangle, so Arun did not get a t-shirt. So mother is not happy. So if mother is not happy, then Asha did not get a necklace and Arun did not get a t-shirt. So C is the right option for this question, right? Option C is the correct answer. Yes, Nishant, you're correct. Let us move on to the next question now, right? 5 persons A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a row. Who is sitting in the middle? 5 persons A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a row. Who is sitting in the middle? Statements 1. B is between E and C. Statement 2. B is to the right of E. Statement 3. D is between A and E. Which statements gives us the conclusion, right? Which of the statements will help us in knowing who is sitting in the middle, right? Here are your 4 options. Give me the right one. right? See guys, okay, let us solve this. Okay, how many people are sitting in the row A, B, C, D, E, right? How many people are sitting in the row A, B, C, D, E? B is between E and C, right? E, B, C, right? B is between E and C, so it becomes E, B, C. B is between, right? B is in the middle of E and C. B is to the right of E. E का right में B है, right? So this is E, this is his left, this is his right, right? This is his left, this is his right. So it is B is correct. So EBC हो गया, EBC हो गया. D is between A and E. D is between A and E. That means D will come here, A will come here, right? So it is AD, EBC. So E is in the middle, right? So what did we did here? We took the first statement, we got this, right? We took the second statement, we got this, right? We took the third statement, we got this, right? So all the three statements are required, right? All the three statements are required. So it is option D, right? 1, 2 and 3 only, है ना? हमें तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट EBC दिया, सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट EB दिया और थर्ड स्टेटमेंट में ADE दिया, right? We got all the three because of three statements here, right? Three statements, we got all the three. From that we could find out that E is in the middle, right? So it is 1, 2, 3 only. That is all the three statements are required for us, right? Everyone understood? Shall I move on to the next question now? Option D is the answer. Now, yes, question number 11. Though the question is a detailed one, it is a big one. The answer is actually in the graph itself, right? Okay. In a detailed study of annual crow births in India, it was found that there was relatively no growth during the period 2002 to 2004 and a sudden spike. Spike matlab increase. Spike matlab increase from 2004 to 2005. In another unrelated study, it was found that the revenue from cracker sales in India, which remained fairly flat, flat matlab kuch line nahi hai, fairly flat from 2002 to 2004, saw a sudden spike in 2005 before declining again in 2006. The solid line in the graph, solid line matlab ye line jo hai, okay, this is the solid line. It refers to the annual sale of crackers, and the dashed line matlab ye line, okay, the one is dashing, right? Dashed line, it refers to the annual crow births in India, right? Choose the most appropriate inference from the above data. So from these four, tell me which one is the right answer. So Rajnikant Pandey has given it as B. Okay, so let's wait for 2-3 more people, then let us go with the answer, right? See guys, just see the diagram. Both of the diagrams, how do they look? How do they look? Both of the diagrams, don't they look similar? Don't they look similar? See, this one is like this, right? And this one is also like this. That is, both are flat, both are increasing, both are decreasing, right? Okay, both are flat, both are increasing, both are decreasing. So it is option A. There is a strong correlation. Correlation matlab connection, right? There is a strong connection between crow birth and cracker sales, right? There is a strong connection between crow birth and cracker sales. Let me take my eraser here. Right? Isn't there a connection between them? Right? Isn't there a connection between them? देखो दोनों सामने है, right? Both of them are flat here, right? Both of them are flat between 2002 to 2005, right? Both of them are increasing from 2003 to 2005, right? And both of them are decreasing from 2005 to 2006, right? So there is a strong connection between crow birth and cracker sales. सर कौन से ब्रांच में आया था मेंशन कीजिए. अच्छा, so this was come in GATE 2017 and this had come in the civil branch. GATE 2017 civil में ये थोड़ा फास्ट. ओके बाबा. ओके, so this had come in GATE 2017 civil. Okay, so Nishant wants me to be fast, so it is option A. We can clearly see that when there was no crow birth, there was no cracker sales also. When there was crow birth, the cracker sales also increased, right? So there is a strong connection. Correlation means connection between crow birth and cracker sales. Chalo, we'll go to the next one, right? The area of an equilateral triangle is root 3. The area of an equilateral triangle is root 3. What is the perimeter of this triangle, right? The area of the triangle is just root 3. What is the perimeter of this triangle? Here are your 4 options. See guys, what is the area of an equilateral triangle? The equilateral triangle we see in, okay, the area of an equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 a square, right? The area of an equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 a square. Idhar kya diya hai? It is given as root 3, right? So this is root 3 cancel. A square is equal to 4. So a will be square root of 4, which is 2. What is the perimeter of a triangle? How many sides are there for a triangle? 3 sides, right? So the perimeter of a triangle will be 3a. 2 equals a. So 3a. It will be 3 into 2, 6. So option C is the answer. The area of an equilateral triangle is given by the formula root 3 by 4 a square. We have a triangle whose area is root 3. तो दोनों को equate करो. The area of the normal triangle to the area of the equilateral triangle given. Equate both of them. A square equals 4, root 3 cancel. So A will be 2. The perimeter of a triangle is given by 3A, right? So 3 into 2, 6 will be the answer, right? Okay, fine. I will mention the branches also, right? So this one was also GATE 2017 civil itself, ठीक है? Right? Civil का ही. जब different branches come, I will tell the branches name also, okay? वरना अगर मैं ब्रांच नहीं बताता हूं then it means it will be the same branch the next question, right? चलो, yes, this one everyone understood? Okay, we'll go for the next one. Question number 9. Arrange the following 3-dimensional objects in the descending order of their volumes. Okay, so here are the 4. A cuboid with dimensions 10 cm, 8 cm and 6 cm, cube with side 8 cm, cylinder with base radius 7 and height 7, sphere of radius 7. So according to the descending order of their volumes, what will be the right answer? Tell me. So this was asked in GATE 2019 CSE. Okay, Nishant, I'll try to make the explanation short, but there are some other people, right, who will also require to understand the question. So in order to make them understand the question, I elongate the explanation a bit, right? Some people are quick, they will understand the question, means they will understand the answer easily. So there are some more people who might require a elaborate explanation, right? So for that, I elaborate the explanation. Okay, tell the answer for this. Tell the answer for this. Cuboid का वॉल्यूम क्या है? Cuboid का वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला क्या है, right? Yes, 4-3-2-1. So he's telling it is 4-3-2-1. Descending order मतलब क्या होता है? You guys know ascending and descending order, right? So it is high to low. So volume of each one will be, what is the volume of cuboid? It is length into breadth into height. They have given all the three. 10 into 8 into 6, which is 480 centimeter square. Volume of cube, it is a cube, right? It is a cube, which is 8. They have given it as the sides. 8 into 8 into 8, 512. Volume of a cylinder is given by the formula pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder is given by the formula pi r square h, 1077.57. And volume of a sphere is given by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, so 1436. So as per the descending order, it is 4 3 2 1, है ना? Descending order पे जाओगे, so it is 4 3 2 1, right? So this is the answer for this, right? Yes, it is L cube. I have took it as A cube, okay? So it's fine. Sir, any shortcut? ये ही shortcut है ना? This is only shortcut. Remember the volumes of each, substitute them, you'll get the answer for this, right? So there is no shortcut for this question. This question is only short, right? The question is बहुत छोटा है. So just substitute the volumes, substitute the given areas, you'll get the answer, right? Let us go for the next one. Question number 10. Statement: all bulbs are wires, no wire is cable, some cables are brushes, all brushes are paints, right? Conclusions: some paints are cables, some wires are bulbs, some brushes are wires, some cables are bulbs. So in these four, which one is the right one? So this was asked in GATE 2015 CSC. Class, I will finish it in another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, right? So it is 9:40. By 9:50 or 9:55, we'll finish the class. We have 5 more questions. We'll solve everything and finish the class. So either do the Venn diagrams. All bulbs are wires, right? So I'll write bulbs, right? All bulbs are wires, right? No wire is cable. No wire is cable. CAB, right? Some cables are brushes. Some cables are brushes, right? So some of them, like the Venn diagram. All brushes are paints. All brushes are paints. All brushes are paints. So here, tell me which one will be the right one. Some paints are cables, right? Some paints are cables, right? It is true. So first one is true, right? Some paints are cables. They both are together. Some of them are cables, some of them are not. Some wires are bulbs. Some wires are bulbs. Yes. All bulbs are wires. इसका converse क्या होगा? All bulbs are wires. So some wires will be bulbs, right? Some wires will be bulbs, right? Some brushes are wires. Brushes are here. Wires are here. Wrong, right? Some cables are bulbs. Bulbs are here. Cables are here. Again wrong, right? So only 1, 2 follow, right? It is option B. Only 1 and 2 follows. Any doubt in this question, guys? See, I drew the Venn diagram also. According to the Venn diagram only, we are following with the conclusions. So it is only 1 and 2 which follows. 1 and 2. Other 2 are wrong. Clear? Shall I move to the next question? Chalo, option B. Chalo, we'll go to the next one. Just a minute. Yes. So what is the probability of choosing correctly an unknown integer between 0 and 9 with 3 chances? What is the probability of choosing correctly an unknown integer between 0 and 9 with 3 chances? Here are your 4 options. Give me the right one. Yes. Okay. So this was asked in GATE 2017 CSC. three chances are there. First chance, second chance, third chance, right? So first chance will be 9 by 10, right? और दो chances का निकालो अभी. First chance is 9 by 10, right? 0 to 9, how many integers are there, right? 10 integers. No, 0, 1, 2, 3, 10 integers are there. In that I am choosing an unknown integer, right? That is one unknown integer I am selecting. So 10 minus 1, 9 divided by 10. This is the first chance. Second और third chance क्या होगा बताओ? राइट, सेकेंड वन विल बी ये 9 by 10 में से, ओके, ये 9 by 10 में से 1 by 10 निकालूंगा, राइट? इन दिस 9 by 10 आई विल बी टेकिंग 1, right? In this 9 by 10 I will be taking 1. What will be my third one? 9 by 10, 9 by 10, 1 by 10. Is it right? Correct? No. First chance, out of the 9 integers I will be taking 1 because they have given it as unknown integer. Matlab I do not know which integer I am choosing, right? I do not know which integer I am choosing, so it is an unknown integer, right? So 9 out of 10 in the first one. Second one, of this 9 out of 10 I am choosing 1, right? Of this 9 out of 10 I am choosing 1, so 9 by 10 into 1 by 10. Okay, yes, 1 minute Nishan. Okay, of this 9 of 10 I am choosing 1 by 10. Then third one is of these both 9 of 10 I am choosing 1 by 10. Okay, okay, I'll repeat it Nishan, right? So 0 to 9 there are 10 integers, right? 0 to 9 there are 10 integers. Choosing correctly an unknown integer, that is I am choosing one integer, right? I am choosing one integer, right? So 10 minus 1, 9. So 9 out of 10, this will be my first chance, right? 9 out of 10, this will be my first chance. This is an unknown integer, मतलब मुझे पता नहीं है. I do not know which integer I am taking, right? Unknown का मतलब क्या है? You do not have any idea about it, right? You might have chose 1, okay, you might have chose 2, you might have chose 3. You do not know which is the number you chose. That is called as unknown integer. So out of the selected 9 by 10, I will choose 1, right? No, you cannot use binomial distribution here, right? Because they have given it as unknown integer. Unknown integer दिया है. अगर known integer दिया होता, then you could have easily formulated the binomial one. Here unknown is given, so you cannot use binomial here, right? Out of the 9 out of 10, I am choosing one integer, right? Out of the 9 by 10, I am choosing one integer. So 9 by 10 into 1 by 10, right? Then again, out of both these 9 by 10, out of both these 9 by 10, I am choosing 1 by 10. So 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 1 by 10. So what will be the total? Add all of these, right? Add all of this. First one will be 1 by 10. Next one will be 9 by 10 into 1 by 10. Next one will be 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 1 by 10, right? Add all of this. The answer is 271 by 1000, right? The answer is 271 by 1000. Got it? Sorry guys, I made a mistake there. It is not 9 by 10, okay? It is 1 by 10 for the first chance, okay? For the first chance it is 1 by 10, and the rest all chances it will be 9 by 10. Okay, understood this? First chance I am choosing one integer, okay? Sorry, I made a mistake there. Out of the 10 integers I am choosing one, no? So it will be 1 by 10. So the remaining integers kitna hai abhi? If I take out 1 by 10 out of 10, it will be 9 by 10, right? So in the remaining 9 by 10, I am choosing again 1. And in the again remaining 9 by 10, 9 by 10, I am choosing 1. Now add all three. 1 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 1 by 10. 271 by 1000. Okay. Yes, the reason I am telling you cannot use binomial distribution is what they have given. They have given it as unknown integer, right? They have given it as unknown integer. अगर उन्होंने known integer दिया होता, then you could have gone for binomial distribution. They have given it as unknown integer. That is the reason. Use this, right? Go by this normal formula, logical formula. पहले में से एक निकालता हूं तो 10 में से एक निकाला 1 by 10. 10 में से एक निकाला तो कितना बचेगा? 9 बचेगा, right? If I take out 1, 9 will be left, right? So 9 by 10 into 1 by 10. Then again out of the 9 by 10 and another 9 by 10 into 1 by 10. Got it? This is 1 by 10. Again ये 9 बचा हुआ है उसमें से एक लूंगा. Again वापस this is 2 times 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 1 by 10. So it is 271 by 1000. Yes, it is a difficult question cause this was asked in CSC, right? CSC people ज़्यादा maths calculate करते हैं पूरा subject में, इसलिए this was a difficult one. Now let us go for the easy one. The bar graph below shows the output of 5 carpenters over 1 month, each of whom made different items of furniture, chairs, tables and beds. Consider the following statements. The number of beds made by carpenter C2 is exactly the same as the number of tables made by carpenter C3. Okay. The second statement is the total number of chairs made by all carpenters is less than the total number of tables. Which of the following is true? A, B, C, D. Okay. Go by the graph here and formulate it. Easy question. So this was GATE 2018 mechanical. Right? What is the first statement telling? The number of beds made by carpenter C2 is same by the tables by carpenter C3, right? Beds C2, tables C3. They should be equal. C2 equals C3, right? So let us go for the beds made by carpenter C2. Carpenter C2 is here. Bed is blue color. So it is 12 to 20, right? So it will be 8. 8 equals tables made by carpenter C3. Tables किधर है? Tables is yellow, right? Tables made by carpenter C3. So it is 14 to 12 का मध्य में 13, right? And this is 6 to 4 का मध्य में 5. 5 minus 13 is 8. Okay, so the first statement holds good. है ना? First statement holds good. Now let us go for the second statement. Number of chairs made by all the carpenters. Chairs is pink, right? Made by all the carpenters. So it is 2 plus, right? 2 plus 10 plus, okay, 5 plus 2 plus, okay, this is 4 is less than, right? Is less than. So is less than what? Number of tables. Tables कितना है? Tables yellow है. So it is 2 to 9, 7, right? Again 10 to 12, 2, right? Now here 5 to 13, 8, right? Then here 2 to 5, 3. Then here the tables is yellow again, 14 to 4, 10, right? 14 to 4, 10. So this will be equal to 2 plus 10, 12, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 3, 23, right? 23 is less than 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. 23 is less than 30, right? The number of chairs is less than the number of tables. So both of them follows, right? Both of them. So it is option C. Both 1 and 2, right? Easy question, no? Mechanical का है. इसलिए mechanical में general aptitude easy आता है हमेशा, है ना? 23 is to 30, 8 equals 8. So both the statements are correct. It is option C. Clear everyone? Any doubts in this question? Shall I move on to the next? Last 3 questions are remaining. We'll finish it off. Right? Okay. 2 machines M1 and M2 are able to execute any of the 4 jobs P, Q, R and S. The machines can perform one job on one object at a time. Jobs P, Q, R and S take 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 60 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. There are 10 objects each requiring exactly one job. Job P is to be performed on 2, job Q on 3, job R on 1 and job S on 4. What is the minimum time needed to complete all the jobs? Here are the 4 and this is also GATE 2018 mechanical, right? GATE 2018 mechanical. Solve this. So there are 2 machines M1 and M2. Okay, there are 4 jobs P, Q, R and S. P, Q, R and S, right? So P is taking how much minutes? It is taking 30 minutes. Q is taking 20 minutes. R is taking 60 minutes. S is taking 15 minutes. है ना? And job P is performed on 2 objects. Job Q on 3. job R on 1 and job S on 4. Okay, so these are the number of objects, number of time and the number of machines. So what is the minimum time needed to complete all the jobs? Okay, needed to complete all the jobs. Okay, see guys, two machines are there, right? Two machines are there. Okay, so for the first machine I will take P and R, right? I will take P and R. So this machine will take 2 into 30 60 minutes and this machine will take 1 into 60 minutes, right? दोनों मिलाकर कितना हुआ? 1 hour, right? So both the machines are working simultaneously, right? Both the machines are working simultaneously. So this works for 1 hour, this works for 1 hour. Total is 1 hour. Then I will take three objects of Q, that is 3 into 20, okay, and 4 into 15, right? So again 60, 60. So again it is in 1 hour, right? So what will be the total time? 2 hours, right? The total time will be 2 hours, which is option A. Got it? It's again a logical question. Okay, 30 into 2 is 60, 20 into 3 is 60, 60 into 1 is 60, 15 into 4 is 60. So everything 60, right? So it is 240, right? Everything is 60, 240. So 240 by 4, right? 240 by how many machines? 2. 240 by 2, which is 120. 120 is nothing but 2 hours. Hello? Yes, 120 is nothing but 2 hours, right? 120 is nothing but 2 hours. So it is 2 hours. 120 minutes is 2 hours, right? Everyone understood this one? 2 into 30, 1 into 60. So totally 240 by 2 machines, 120, right? Chalo. Yes, it is 2 hours. Let's go for the next one. Leila aspires to buy a car worth rupees 10 lakh after 5 years. What is the minimum amount in rupees that she should deposit now in a bank which offers 10% annual rate of interest if the interest was compounded annually, right? So these are the 4 options. Tell me the right answer. So this is a compound interest question, right? So hi Pranav, welcome. Shobit, tricky question. No, actually that question was easy, but it had a bit of tricks in it, right? बताया नहीं कि अभी सेशन है. अरे प्रणव सॉरी यार भूल गया मैं. ठीक है, वो आज क्लास में बताने वाला था but I forgot to tell. Sorry, okay? वो मैंने सोचा बताया है पर बाद में मैं भूल गया. I was wondering in the starting of the class why Pranav has not come today. Okay, अभी आपने बताने के बाद पता चला मुझे कि मैंने आपको बताया नहीं कि आज सेशन है. ग्रुप में भी डालना भूल गया मैं. Okay, sorry for that. Anyways, Pranav is back. Okay, so tell me the answers for this, right? So compound interest का फॉर्मूला क्या है? फॉर्मूला भी बता देता हूँ. 1 plus r by 100 power n is equal to 10 lakh, right? 1 plus r by 100 power n is equal to 10 lakh. Yes, this is also same. GATE 20. Yes. So Tarani is telling B is the correct answer. Yes, it is B. P into 1 plus r by 100 power n. तो हमें P का वैल्यू पता नहीं है, right? We do not know P, but R is given as 10 and N is given as 5, right? R is given as 10, N is given as 5. So substitute R as 10, N as 5. You'll get the answer as 6,21,000, which is option B, right? Just do by the formula. P into 1 plus R by 100 power N is equal to 10 lakh. So principal to be P. So it is P into 1 plus R by 100 power N, right? R by 100 power N. So R is 10, N is 5. Substitute this. This is nothing but 10 power 6. I have simplified it. Okay. This is 11 by 10 power 5, right? 1 plus 10 क्या होगा? 11 ना. 11 by 10 power 5 equals 10 power 6. So this will be cross multiplication. 11 power 5, 10 power 5 is equal to 10 power 6. So P is basically 10 power 6 into 10 power 5 divided by 11 power 5. So the answer will be 620,921, which is equivalent to 6,21,000. Clear everyone? Okay. I'm sorry for going fast. We have one more question, right? So I'm going fast. If you have doubts, you can ask me. Right? Everyone clear with this answer? Shall I move on to the next one? Pranav will be clear with everything, right? So question 15, this is the last question, and this will come in GATE 2017 civil, right? GATE 2017 civil. So find the odd one out. 7, 8, 18, 57, 228, 1165, 6996. So in this, which one is the odd one out? Which one does not belong to this group? Here are your 4 options. Go by it. Just go by the numbers, guys. So substitute each of them as A, B, right? C, D, E, F, G, right? Substitute each of them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? So they always follow the formula, right? They always follow the formula A into 1 plus 1, B into 2 plus 2, C into 3 plus 3, right? So I will tell you. So A is 7, right? So it is A into 1 plus 1, which is 7 into 1 plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 becomes my B. That is true. Now B into 2 plus 2, which is 8 into 2 plus 2, right? 8 into 2 is 16 plus 2, which is 18, right? 18 is my C. So ये तीनों correct है, right? Now let's substitute 18 here, which is C into 3 plus 3, right? C into 3 plus 3. So it is 18 into 3 plus 3, which is 54 plus 3, 57, which is my D, right? D correct है. तो अभी D के लिए substitute करो. D into 4 plus 4, right? Which will be 57 into 4 plus 4, which is 228 plus 4, 232, which should be my E, right? But what is my E? My E is 228. तो इधर चूहा पकड़ गया, right? 228 is the odd one out, right? You can formulate the next one also, right? 232 into 5 plus 5 will give you 1165, right? And 1165 into 6 plus 6 will give you 6996, right? So this is my F, this is my G. But my E should be 232. They have given it as 228. So this is my odd one out, right? This is my odd one out. Option D is the right one. So there it go. It finishes our class, right? For those people who are preparing for CIL 2020, I am bringing up 3 courses on CIL, and I am also bringing up a batch course on CIL. All the details will be uploaded in the Unacademy platform, right? So the capsule course for General English for CIL, it will start tomorrow, February 1st, February 3rd on numerical ability, and February 11th for general knowledge and reasoning. For those people who want to buy the 1-month GATE subscription for CIL 2020, can go for this option, 5,000 per month. Use my code Shreyas or SAYT. Press apply. You guys will be getting a 10% off, right? For those people, okay, for those people who are going for this 3 to 24 month, that is CIL 2021 and GATE 2021, okay, for those people you can go for this. Apply my code, get a 10% off, and you guys will get additional 10% off through your Unacademy credits. Okay, just a minute, Tarini. Okay, just a minute. I will conclude it and I will go back to the questions, right? I'll conclude it and go back to the questions, right? Okay, so if you guys have any doubts, okay, you can ask me on my email ID shreyas_aravind@yahoo.in. okay, any doubts? Shreyas_aravind shreyas_aravind@yahoo.in. okay, any doubts regarding the plus subscription or CIL or GATE or General Aptitude, please do contact me here. If you contact me here, I will give you the Telegram group link. Okay, so thank you guys. If there are any doubts, please do ask me, okay, in the comments. I will reply for your doubts. All the best for your exams. Let's crack it. Right, so I will now be providing the recap of the questions for Tarani. Okay, so Tarani can see the questions. Right, so Tarani, this was the first question. I think, did you attend the Unacademy special class? Okay, Unacademy special class जो किया था ना recently on 29th Jan. So this class is the same. This is the same class. So you can go there for the special class folder, right? Special class का जो column रहता है ना section, you can go there and download the PDF. You will get the same questions. So this was the first question which we discussed. This was the answer for it. Option D was the answer, right? This was the second one. Option B was the answer, right? We discussed about a faulty wall clock. Third one, and here option A was the answer. Fourth one, and for this option B was the answer. Okay, fifth one, option C was the answer. Okay, sixth one, option D was the answer, all the statements. Okay, this one is the same class. Okay, same class which was done on 29th Jan on Unacademy, right? So go to the special class section, okay, and download PDF, okay, without annotations, right? Without annotations. So this was the question 7 and A was the answer for it. Question 8, C was the answer for it. Question Question 9, D was the answer for it. Okay, question 10, B was the answer for it. Question 11, A was the answer for it. This was a question on probability. Question 12, C was the answer for it, right? Question 12, C was the answer. Question 13, A was the answer again. And I think from question 14, you had come to the class, okay? Because you answered for the question 14, as far as I know. You gave the answer B for the question 14, okay? And this was the last question. Find the odd one out, where option was D, right? So I gave a pre-cap of my CIL course. So those who want to buy the plus subscription can use my code and this code, both the codes, and get 10% off for 1 month subscription. If you are going for these subscriptions, you will get around 10 plus 10, 20% off. And if you have any doubts, please do ask me on my email ID, okay? SHREYAS_ARAVIND Shreyas@yahoo.in. You can ask any doubts regarding this. I will also give you the group link of my Telegram group, okay? You can join there, okay? All the best for your exams. Let's crack it. If there are any doubts, please do ask me, guys. I'll wait for a period of 1 minute and then I will be ending the class. Okay, I can assume that there are no doubts. Okay, so I wish you all the best for your exams. Please do go with a positive mindset. Don't commit silly blunders. Calculate wisely. Okay, go with a positive mindset. Have a calm mindset. Do not do silly blunders. Observe the question carefully. Read the question. Recall the question and reproduce the answer. Do not make silly blunders. And I hope all of you do well in your exams. All the best, guys. It was nice interacting with all of you. Have a good day.